Test, 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 test. Test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test, test. Test, 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 test. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Haven't filleted a fish in a while, but I know if you are gonna do it, you wanna chill the fish. Keep it nice and firm. Go in like an angle, like that. And then go underneath, like that. Hopefully I did this right, y'all. I don't know. There we go. One fillet. Oh yeah, we did it. Take out the bones. All right. Go ahead and see if we could just fillet. Yeah.
There's a mom and a dad. There's a black and white one and there's an orange and white one. So the orange and white one is the mom and the black and white one is the dad. She came out and there was like 3 kittens behind her. I'm like, yo, they're living under a bridge in between the rocks. It's great.
Seems like a good habitat though, right?
Yeah.
For a cat?
Yeah, I mean there's fish right where they are. There's like a little bed right there.
You said you seen something, huh?
Yeah, so I seen a headless fish. Right there. Must have went downstream.
Must have went downstream. So you seen a headless?
So
Oh, CJ, cast right there, bro. You're gonna get a bite. Look, go, go, go. Perfect. Guys, dead fish. CJ just said that he thinks he saw like a slot snook floating belly up with his head bitten off. That's crazy. We're a little bit mushy. Like I said, if you catch fish and you want to eat it, clean it right away, eat it right away. The fresher, the better. Taste, texture, everything, all right? We're gonna go ahead and start cooking this up.
What's up, y'all? 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wait, what the heck? Is that a fish?
There's baby fish everywhere over here.
Season her up.
She's about to whip it up for y'all real quick. You said this is salt, black pepper, what else? Salt, black pepper, paprika.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna season these up.
Season them up, season them up. Very nice.
Plan B, we ran out of gas, but we have an extra stove.
Oh my goodness. Guys, there's a crab in the net. A red one too. CJ, hoist it up. Oh. Is there a shrimp in there too?
Yeah. It's a giant one.
Oh my goodness. What?
Wait. That's not a shrimp.
That's crazy, y'all.
What is it?
Oh, wait, no, it is a shrimp. It just has long. How do you.
There's a zipper on top. There's a zipper on top. Flip it. Yep, right there.
Hello. Oh my goodness, that is.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Is this a tiger shrimp?
I don't know. Wow, look at that. I think it is, bro. It's pretty cool. Holy smokes. I think that is a tiger shrimp. We're gonna do some more research, but I heard there are invasive shrimp in the South Florida waterway, so I think this might.
Shrimp?
Yeah, dude.
What else? Tigers? Bears?
We're gonna do some more research, but
Whoa,
yeah, looks like, whoa.
Whoa there.
This guy might be going on the grill, y'all.
Oh Bobby.
All right. CJ got the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and get this crab. He has some small claws, y'all.
Oh.
Oh gosh! Ah! Ah! Okay, just keep cool. Maybe he'll stop pinching the living daylight out of me. His claws are like needle sharp. He's got me right there on the cuticle. Ow! Okay. All right, this assault needs to stop. Got him by the claws. Look at that thing right there. That is so alien-like. Look at that. Ying, what kind of crab do you think this is?
I think it's a mud crab.
This is a mud mangrove crab right here, y'all. And they're out here in the mangroves. Obviously, he was in the water. I've never seen them on land before. But the season is closed for these crabs, all right? We would harvest him. It opens back up on Halloween. So for this guy, we're gonna have to send him back on the way. But we do have an invasive tiger shrimp right here. Whoa, he's got claws. Oh my goodness, guys. These things have, look at the claws. These things have crazy scissor-like claws. We're gonna put this guy back. He's obviously not a happy camper. Go ahead, buddy. Go back. Just get out of here. This, on the other hand, hey. Let's see the pinch on this guy. Oh yeah, nothing like the crab. Nothing like the crab. Hey, you cooking this up, Ying?
Yeah, there's some good eating right here.
Wanna cook that thing up?
Y'all see him? It's a big boy.
Pretty impressive. Oh wow, very cool, very cool. Guys, check that thing out right there, guys. Comment down below what that is. We think it's an invasive black tiger prawn out here competing with the native shrimp. Ying, what are we gonna do with them?
We're gonna eat them, y'all.
We're gonna go ahead and
put them on the grill.
put them on the grill. Humane.
The humane way, guys.
Perfect.
I'm gonna devein them. I'm gonna put some salt, black pepper, and paprika on him.
We got some butter in here.
Okay.
And we got this kind of.
Do you have a spoon or anything?
Yeah, we got a fork. Here you go.
Okay. Thank you.
What do you want me to do with this thing? Just put it right on the coals?
Yeah, put it on top of the coal.
Okay, we're gonna put this right on the coals like that.
I got hot quick.
You hungry?
Heck yeah.
Starving.
Starving.
Starving, y'all. We starving out here. We're gonna let that melt down just a little bit, not too much.
Flip them on the other side. Okay. Oh wow! Look at that right there. Jeez.
He's very red in color. He's about almost done. He's about ready for the Ying to eat him up. One bite.
Wait, hold
One
on.
bite. He looks like a one biter, you guys. He's definitely a one biter. Ain't nobody could take another bite but me. Make sure this doesn't blow off. Put something on there. Season this with salt, black pepper, and paprika. We're gonna put them in a pot. All the butter that you could imagine, guys.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna let these sear up. Woo!
Seared fish, huh? Groovy. Look at, oh my goodness, that looks great.
There goes our live bait
there
right
goes
there,
our
y'all.
bait. I didn't
CJ
even
got
see
him
it.
on the
I
head.
didn't even see it. Dude, you're gonna be a legend if you catch something with that, bro.
Something might chomp on that.
If he does, you guys know where he's going.
Guys, you let this cook on each side for just about 10 seconds. 10 seconds, that's all you need.
Pan is really hot. Oh yeah, look at that. It's already starting to cook. Oh my goodness.
Make sure it's not sticking.
Oh my goodness.
We put enough butter, so it's perfect.
Wow.
Guys, it's been about 10 seconds. It's time to flip these up.
That smells great, yo. Let's see this.
very pretty in color. It's about snow white. That's 10 seconds on each side, guys. All you need is 10 seconds, no more than that. Guys, it's our 10-second limit, and these babies look like they're about done.
Succulent fish.
They look very juicy. This one right here is CJ's one.
What?
I want that.
That one's CJ's.
That was seasoned? Why?
It looks seasoned. I like that one right there.
Is that the only reason why? It's mine?
No, because it's little.
What? I ain't little.
Y'all chill.
What? Not I. I look like
Something's on my toe.
Fish biting your toe.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, y'all, Ying is over here just straight in the water. Oh, wow, look at that.
like the fat girl she is.
That's a beautiful fish, guys, just like the Ying. When the Yang comes out.
That's funny.